Hello everybody, it is Zachariah. I have not uploaded in a long time. I think it's been about 2 months. But I've been pretty busy. Been pretty busy doing a lot of stuff, so I haven't had time to upload. So, my sister has been uploading role-playing videos. And I don't know what to do anymore, so I'm thinking about not uploading anymore. But I'm going to show you why I have not been uploading recently. But I'm gonna show you why I have not been uploading for the last couple days. So I'm gonna show you that. So what I do is I run for fallen officers that have passed away in the line of duty. Here's one of the pictures. But yeah, I haven't had time to upload recently because I've been running for fallen officers. I'm going to be doing a video when I'm going to Chicago, Springfield, and Pittsburgh, but I just haven't been having time to upload lately. I've been doing lots of stuff and haven't really been doing upload, but I'll be trying to upload as much as I can, but I'm probably not gonna. I'm thinking about probably only doing like 3 videos a month. But I just haven't had time to. So, it's just really hard to do all of these at once. But I've just been doing lots of stuff lately, and I haven't had time to. But it's really fun doing this. So I'll try to upload as much as I can, but I don't know when that is, so yeah. I'll try to do a video today, but just thank everybody for watching, and that's why. So hopefully I can upload again soon, and see you guys until next time.